Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to fix the issue where the Facebook privacy settings is not being saved, so let's just jump right in. Sometimes the app feature freezes in the background, so in order to do so, what we can do is open up the recent app section, and if there is Facebook, you can swipe it up and close the application completely, and then just go over and reopen the Facebook once again and try saving the privacy settings. That should fix most of the settings available or issue. Apart from that, if this does not work, you can close this out for now. And what you may do is you may just go over and clear the Facebook app's cache. So go over and hold the Facebook application for that. And once you hold it up, go to the info tab at the top. And within there, just go over and go to the storage section and tap on it. And just go over and look at the clear cache option and clear it out. Do not press clear data unless needed, it locks you out. Apart from that, outdated builds can often fail to save settings, so you can go over and look out for the Play Store application. And within there, just go over and search for your Facebook. And once you find your Facebook, just go over and update your application to the latest version available. Also, Facebook won't save your settings on a slow or unstable Wi Fi, so you may access your quick settings panel for that and look out for the network or the mobile data that you connected. And you can try switching between those and also look out for the flight mode option on right here. If this option is turned on, you can turn it off and try saving up your changes once again in your Facebook app. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and even go ahead and log out. So go to the Facebook application for that, and within Facebook, just go over and look out for your menu at the top. And once you select it, scroll down and look out for the logout option and tap on it and confirm it up. And then open up the application again and see if that fixes your issue. So that is it, everybody. That should probably fix the issue and work for you. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.